Come test drive the 2018 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, CD player, child safety locks, passenger airbag, security system, daytime running lights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.